For today's lesson, you will need a pencil and a sheet of paper. We are going to start with reading comprehension. We are going to read the passage, A New Pet. I want you to read the first 3 sentences with me. Follow the pattern and point to the red dot as we read each word. Today, we are reading A New Pet. Scholars, can you point to where we start reading? We start at the first line. Now, where do we go when we finish reading this line? We move to the next line underneath. It's time to read the passage. We will read the first 2 sentences together. Follow the red dot as we read each word. We will read each sentence 2 times. Get your tapping fingers ready. I want a new pet. I want a new pet. Do you want a cat? Asked Mom. Do you want a cat? Asked Mom. No, I do not. No, I do not. Now it's your turn. Follow the red dot as you read each word. You will read each sentence 2 times. I can read. Fabulous job figuring those out. How did you figure out some of these words? Did you look at the pictures? Can you point to the word fish in the sentence? Can you sound out the word dog? Scholars, what is this passage about? It's about a child talking with his mom about a new dog for a pet. You did a great job figuring those out. Now, let's identify some letters versus words. We are going to use this pattern to identify letters versus words. Scholars, how many words do you count? Did you count 4 words? No, I do not. That's 4 words. Now, how many letters do you count? Did you count 8 letters, N-O-I-D-O-N-O-T. That's 8 letters. Did you count these as letters? The arrows are pointing to punctuation. Punctuation and letters are different. Great job identifying. Next, we will go over letter sounds. I will say each letter sound and do the motion. I want you to point to the letter that makes that sound. Are you ready? Our first letter is B, B, B. Point to the letter that sounds like B. The next letter is G, G, G. Which letter sounds like G, G, G? The next letter sounds like T, 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 T. Point to the letter that sounds like T, T, T. The next letter sounds like L, L, L. Which letter sounds like L, L? The last letter sounds like eh, eh, eh. Point to the letter that sounds like eh, eh. If you pointed to the letters B, G, T, L, and E, you're doing fantastic. Give yourself some shine. It's time for matching first sounds. Here, you will choose the correct letter that goes with each picture. The word is otter, otter. Which letter does the word otter start with? The word is inch, inch. Which letter does the word inch start with? The word is goose, goose. Which letter does the word goose start with? Matching first sounds helps us with phonemic rhyme. With phonemic rhyme, we listen to parts of a word, then put them together. Let's try an example together. Our first word is j-ought, j-ought. Put them together. Which word does j-ought sound like? J-ought, jot. Say it. J-ought, jot. Your turn. J-ought, jot. Last time. Our next word is ow, ow. Put them together. Which word does ow sound like? The last word is ain, ain. Put them together. Which word does ain sound like? We are going to end today's lesson with some spelling. I have 3 spelling words for you. We will say each word 3 times, then we will tap it out, and finally, you will need your paper and pencil to write them down. Our first word is kit. Kit. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Kit. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word kit. Get your tapping fingers ready. We're ready. Kit. K, I, t, k, I, t. Kit. Which letter sounds like k? Which letter sounds like I? Which letter sounds like t? Pause the video and use your paper and pencil to write the word kit. Our next word is mit. Mit. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Mit. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word mit. I, t. I, t. Mit. Which letter sounds like Which letter sounds like I? Which letter sounds like t? Pause the video and use your paper and pencil to write the word mit. Our last word is bit. Bit. Say it. Your turn. One last time. Bit. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word bit. B, I, t. B, I, t. Bit. Pause the video and use your paper and pencil to write the word bit. Great job, scholars! I hope this helped you grow your brain. I love reading with you.